Have you ever wondered what really happens inside your coffee machine? Most people just press a button and wait for the magic to pour into their cup, but inside the machine, a fascinating science is at work. Today, you will discover step by step how a coffee machine turns water and beans into a rich espresso. And trust me, the process is far more interesting than you think. The journey begins with the water tank. This simple container is the heart of the process. It holds enough water for several brews. When you start brewing, the pump comes alive. The pump pulls water from the tank with incredible force. It pushes the water through the system at very high pressure. Without pressure, the water would just drip through like in a normal filter coffee. But espresso needs pressure to extract flavor oils and aroma. Now comes the heater element. This part warms the water to the ideal brewing temperature. The perfect range is between 90 and 95 degrees Celsius. Too cold and your coffee tastes weak. Too hot and your coffee tastes bitter. When the water reaches the right heat, it travels straight into the portafilter. The portafilter is where the magic of coffee grounds begins. Baristas grind the beans very fine and tamp them firmly into the portafilter. This creates a packed bed of coffee that resists the pressure of the water. As the hot, pressurized water forces its way through the grounds, it extracts a concentrated liquid called espresso. The first drops that appear are thick and golden. This is the crema that gives espresso its unique taste and look. The espresso flows smoothly into the cup, waiting on the cup holder. But the machine story does not end here. Some of the heated water also turns into steam. That steam is sent through a pipe called the steam pipe. When you place the steam pipe into a jug of milk, the steam froths and heats the milk at the same time. This transforms plain milk into a silky foam. Now you can make cappuccinos, lattes, and other creamy drinks. Of course, not every drop of liquid goes where it should. That is why the drip tray sits at the bottom. It collects the extra drops and keeps the machine clean. So let us connect the full chain together once more. Water tank to pump to heater to portafilter to cup to steam, pipe to drip tray. Every single cup of espresso follows this exact journey, from simple water and ground beans to a complex flavor filled drink. And that is the hidden engineering inside your morning coffee. Next time you sip your cappuccino, remember the science at work. The loops of water, heat, pressure, and steam make it possible. And that is exactly how a coffee machine works.